Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a really important conflict. Um, I think that this topic or these topics are really important because we will be educators and we have to know not just the conflict per se, but also go beyond uh, in the background of the conflict and how we can analyze this. I had a really beautiful and important conflict, which is the conflict of the Republic Democratic of Congo. I think that is really important because it has a relation with the conflict in Colombia. These two conflicts are really similar, and we're really similar of this country too, in terms of environment, in terms of nature, in terms of conflicts. So this presentation is made by Jonathan Grillo and Mateo Esposa. And this point in red is the Republic Democratic of Congo. As you see, is in the south, our south and middle part of the African country. This is the Ecuador line, which makes us really similar, like them, Colombia and Republic Democratic of Congo. That is the reason why these two countries are pretty similar. The biggest jungle in the world, biodiversity. Why it is? Because they are a really big country in terms of the African continent. They have many different things that we can put in the vault of biodiversity. They have lakes, they have a big part of the country in forest things and animals and minerals. So that's the reason why I say that there is the most important country, or not the most, but one of the most important countries in terms of nature and biodiversity. And good resources, conflict, corruption, and poor people. Good resources, as I told you, this is a country really similar as Colombia, so they have a big part of the country that contains nature. Also, they have animals and many species of animals and minerals. That is a really important thing nowadays in this country. Conflict. They have three important conflicts over the time, and I will talk about this later on. Corruption, as in any country, but there are two important characters, Mobutu and Laurent Kabila, and poor people. I don't consider that they are poor people just because they don't have money, but also because they are victims of this conflict and they don't have to pay the consequences of those wars. Influenced by United States and United Kingdom. Jonathan and I, we put these flags in the slide because United States are one of the most important kind of empires nowadays, and the left country. That country knows the country that are in the left part are really important over the time, over the history are really important. Okay, so that is the reason why today I want to highlight these two countries. That is why I want to highlight these two countries because they are really important before and after. They are currently important because they want to take the characteristics and the most important things of these countries, no matter if it is an African country or an Asian country or a Latin American country. So here we have the green one is the Republic Democratic of Congo. The neighbors are Rwanda, Tanzania, Namibia, Angola. Important moments in Republic Democratic of Congo. First one, we have a genocide in 1996, because two the ethnic groups, Hutus and Tutsis, started to fight and create a war. Hutus and Tutsis are part from two different countries. One, Democratic of Congo, and the second one, Rwanda. They're the neighbor. There is a neighbor country next to Republic Democratic of Congo. So the extremist Hutus started to wipe out all the population of Tutsi groups. So it creates a genocide, and more than 3,000 people and population from Tutsis were died. So more than 70% of the Tutsi population were died at that moment. The second conflict was called the Second World War, the Third World War of Africa. Why? Because more than 7 countries were involved in this conflict. That was because Laurent Kabila and revolutionary guy go inside of the country and tapped the president of the moment of Republic Democratic of Congo. So many countries started to involve their influences and their armies inside of this country, and that is the reason why they create a civil war in this African country. The third conflict is the current conflict, the conflict that is living nowadays. So since 1998 and 2003, this conflict is really strong. Why? Because since the second conflict, the revolutionary groups from Republic of Congo started to emerge. So that is one of the most important reasons that the conflict are not finished nowadays. And the army and the revolutionary groups around the African continent, and more specifically in the Republic Democratic of Congo, are using the resources like nature, as animals, minerals as coltan, and many different things to support their kind of ideologies, only to go against between each other, but they don't realize that they are more than that. They are creating conflicts, and they are creating suffering, and they are creating many things beyond this. So the last thing that I have to add in this presentation is that these kind of conflicts are really important for us, not only to know about the interculturality, but also to know how to be critical in this kind of conflicts, and how we can create connection between the things around the world. So that is the things that I try to put in my schemata and create the connection, the conflicts around the world, in order to highlight the interculturality, and the second one, the problems of how to be critical in terms of education as educators. So that's it, and thank you so much.